Model Nokia 3.1 Plus. Hard reset. First step, switch off the phone. After switch off, wait few seconds. Next step, press volume up and power button and connect USB cable. First connect USB cable and press together volume up and power button. When the start logo, remove finger from power button. Next step, press power button and quickly volume up. Next step, scroll to the option wipe data factory reset and again press power button. Scroll to the option yes and again press power button. Next, reboot system now, again by power button. Remove USB cable and wait. That's all. Thanks for watching Halo channel.